Gather all the tools shown on this list. You may also need these items. For the CHEB, make sure its location has adequate free air around the unit, and that drilling for bolts, P-trap, and line set will not damage anything under the cab. Make sure all refrigerant ports and electrical connections are accessible for future maintenance. Make sure you can run a duct from the CHEB to truck's supply vents or to a supply air tower. Decide where you can route and mount the line set so it will not cause damage or rub against anything. For the condenser, determine how high you can mount it, based on length of line set and truck layout. If a generator will be used, mount the condenser as far away as possible from its exhaust. Determine where the QT operational control will be mounted so it is convenient for the operator.